everyone, welcome to another episode of Love It Listed with me, your host Shagurika Bhattacharya. Post Holi, we have to take extra care of our skin and do not forget, we have to prepare our skin for hot and humid weather as well. So, come along on our journey to know the skincare trends of the season. Let's follow me.
Hi, welcome Sago to my event today.
Thank you so much, Neha. Thanks a lot for having me. But I
Yes.
really wanted to know what this event is all about.
So we have launched Experience Center of Clinically here at Aina Clinic in
Oh, wow.
SDA, and this is first kind of experience offline which we are doing with Clinically, and this is all for all the skincare enthusiasts who love to who want to take the brands which are not available easily anywhere. So you say, okay, get this brand from France or get this brand from Spain, like that. So now it is all available here at this center.
So under one roof, you will get everything.
Everything, yes.
So is this the right time to pamper
Premium
your
brands,
skin?
premium skincare brands, yes.
So luxurious premium brands, and
Right.
definitely you can pamper yourself.
Absolutely.
So post Holi and whenever you want, you can come
Yes,
down.
yes. But for post Holi is must, I guess.
Very much required.
Yes,
Well,
yes.
thank you so much,
Thank
Neha,
you.
for
Thank
having
you
me
for
over.
coming.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Holi is all about fun, color, and madness. But once the celebration ends, reality hits. Dryness. And the fact that it has become hot, humid, and skin takes a major toll. Breakouts or irritation, you name it. But don't worry, because today we are at a brand new Derma space where experts are coming together to spill all the secrets on skincare.
Clinically Experience Center is a one of a kind. It's a very innovative program where we have kind of accumulated the global skincare brands which are certified by dermatologists across the globe. These are products that are coming in from US, from Europe, from Australia, from the different Asian countries like Korea, and we have them all under one roof. So skin and hair care like never before, where people can just walk in, they can meet a doctor, and they can get their own skincare and hair care completely customized and tailored to their needs.
Okay, I'll admit it. My skin was not happy after Holi, but experts here have guided me well about hydrating and calming facial. Perfect for reducing irritation and getting my glow back.
Hi, welcome to our Clinically Experience Center.
Thank you.
I am Anushika here.
Okay.
Please have a seat.
Sure. So this is what?
This is basically a skincare analyzer. It will basically gives you a brief about your skin. How is your hydration level? How is your superficial skin? How healthy is your skin? How deep is affected or not?
Okay.
It will show you everything.
It will show it's like an extra machine.
Yeah.
It will give you every detail
So
about it.
I just want some details
Me?
for you. Yeah.
Okay.
I'll just clean it. You have to put your chin here.
Mhm.
And just close your eye. It will take 15 to 20 seconds to capture.
Okay, I thought it's 15-20 minutes.
No, just 15 to 20 seconds. I'm starting. Now I'll check your moisture level. I'll just realize this as well. Showing that your moisture level is very less.
What should be the level?
It should be minimum according to this 30 to 40%.
Not even 1/4.
Like the serum and the moisturizer as well, so that hyaluronic will hold the and lock the moisture into your skin. It will last longer. So for that you have to use the hyaluronic serum. And obviously this is from the outside. For the inside you have to drink a lot of water.
Lot of water?
Yeah.
Yes. That the colors tend to make your skin very dry and rough, and especially if you're using a lot of chemical colors or watercolors to play. So the important thing is to hydrate the skin, and we mean hydration not only by inside, like keeping yourself well hydrated but drinking good amounts of clear fluids. After this, once a period of about 3 to 4 days has come and your skin is coming back to normal, it would be a good time to invest in a medical facial, which can gently remove the dead skin. It could be a hydrofacial, it could be some other peel facials. They will gently remove the dead skin and unclog the pores which could have been blocked because of the use of colors, and also leave your skin hydrated and supple.
At Clinically, experts recommended starting with gentle cleansing, followed by hydration and sun protection. And for those stubborn breakouts, professional treatments can work wonders.
What makes the Clinically Experience Center different from a normal, say for example, a Sephora or any other retail store is A, the curation, and B, the mixture of technology that we bring into the space. We have a very amazing AI skin analysis tool that helps you understand your skin's needs better for a more guided shopping experience. So you're not just going around picking products that you feel works for you. Now you can back it up with data that can exactly tell you what your skin needs and how much of it does it need.
Now that Holi is over, summer is knocking on our doors. And the humidity is ready to mess with our skin. What are the top skincare essentials for this season? Let's check out.
We often see that change in seasons also requires a little bit of a tweaking of the skincare products. So as summers, it is mainly associated with a lot of sweating and clogging of the pores because of the sweat. So we need to use a soft cleanser more often than just once or twice. And the skin, so the pores should be free and not clogged. We need to go in for more medical facials, like at least once in 4 weeks, to make sure that the dead skin, the pile up of the sweat and the sebum and the dead skin is not there, and the skin tends to look very dull. Also, we tend to get very dehydrated because obviously the strong sun is extracting all the moisture from our skin. So using a hyaluronic acid serum twice a day immediately after cleansing, like on the damp skin, gives you an internal hydration, and also use a very light non-comedogenic oil-free moisturizer, which is not very heavy or greasy on the skin.
Wow, I feel so positive. Honestly, this is exactly what my skin needed. Gentle, effective, and dermatologist approved. Ta-da! From shooting facials to expert skincare. Well, Clinically is truly a heaven for skincare lovers. And we are walking away with some incredible tips for keeping our skin happy all summer long. That's all for today's Love It Listed. Until next time, see you. Ta-da!